London Rush. Guess who's on her way to London? I have to be in London on Monday for work, so they told me to just go a day early, well, like the night before, and I was like, why not just, you know, go the whole day before and take full advantage. So yeah, I'm walking to the metro now. It's my first time taking the Eurostar. I think it'll be really good. But yeah, let's follow me around on my London adventures. It is freezing and like rainy today. I'm sure it will be the same in London, but I have a few things I want to do. But yeah, let's go. So we're here. Eurostar business class is legit. If you guys have ever taken Eurostar, I haven't, but business class is really cute. So I'm gonna go drop my stuff off at the hotel and then yeah, just explore. It's like 11:30, I think, 11:30 UK time, 12:30 Paris time. So yeah, I have a good amount of time to just like explore and do stuff. I don't have to be at work tomorrow until 8, so yeah. Okay, time for a room tour. Okay, so you come in, here's the bathroom, toilet, sink. I was so excited to take a bath and they don't even have one, so. But this shower head, look at that, it looks amazing. I'm literally not taking my coat off because I just want to go eat. But yeah, it's a cool sink. So you come in, there's a bathroom, and then you have a mirror. Voila, that's more. And then you come over here. You have the closet. I haven't even opened this yet. So, oh, that's cute. Mini bar, closet area. This is really nice. And then you have this cute little bed. You know, standard. Desk. Another cute little mirror. And then I don't really have a good view of anything. I'm like across from M&M World. I don't know if you can see from here. See M&M World. I'm in like Chinatown area. But yeah, so that's my room, guys. Yeah, I'm not gonna waste any time. I'm literally gonna go to Nando's and just walk around and try to see as much as I can while I'm here. So stay tuned. There it is, guys. Nando's. The best chicken sandwich. Great chicken sandwich. So excited. I got double chicken too. Hey guys, so just finished at Nando's. Oh, let's go. It was amazing. Got my entire life a double chicken sandwich, some corn, chips. They're so cute. They call chips fries, chips here. Yeah, now I'm walking to Fordham and Mason. Me and my mom really love their tea, so I told my mom I would get her some tea while I'm here. And then I might try to go to Primark or the London Eye. It depends on how this weather, like, it doesn't rain like consistently here. It's just like it'll start raining and then stop, but I don't want to go on the London Eye if it's raining, so stay tuned. This place is like Tiffany's meets tea biscuits meets everything British. It is the cutest thing. Here's me. I don't even know where to start. I'm like beside myself. I know what my mom wants. I'm trying to figure out what I want. It's just too cute. Everything is adorable. Like everything. to get over to the London Eye. I'm so happy. I'm really learning to just like appreciate being in the moment more, getting to travel, like, but yeah, I'm just having like a ball, just like walking around, exploring. I got my mom a bunch of tea, you know, I got everything my mom wanted, so now I can just chill. Ate Nando's, like, look at God, you know?
Well, I want to paint your picture with that great look in your eyes.
So now I'm walking to Harrods, which is kind of far, but I feel like walking is the best way, and this is a green park next to me. I feel like walking is the best way to see or explore any city. So like, I think it's like almost a mile and a half away, but I'd rather just like walk and explore and get to see as much as I can. My legs hurt so bad. I know I'm gonna be so tired at work tomorrow, but like, I want to see every single thing that I can, you know? So there's lots of traffic on that side of the street. But yeah, see you guys when we get there. So I finally made it to Harrods, guys. It's so nice. I'm trying to find the tea. I want to try their cheese as well. And I also want to look at sneakers, but I just need a break. I really wanted to sit down and have a glass of tea. So I'm taking a break. I'm sitting at Paul having a very big cup of tea. My legs hurt so much walking. So now I'm in Hyde Park. It's so peaceful and like calm, and it just smells like, I don't know, like it makes me want to go for a run so bad. I wish I had more time close. But it's just really, really peaceful. It's finally stopped raining. I'm just walking through the park, heading back to the hotel. But it's so nice. I'm loving the music. So I went a little crazy at Primark. Not like bad though. Like, obviously the Primark in the UK is gonna be better than the Primark anywhere else I've been. Like the Primark that I went to in Paris was trash, like absolute trash. But this one was like amazing. So I'm happy. I hope I have time to come back tomorrow because I saw stuff that I think I could get as like gifts from my sisters. But yeah, so I'm headed back to the hotel now and I'm gonna grab dinner.